Good morning, students. I am Ashok Kumar from Bhagurav Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir as a TGT English. So today I am going to teach you the exercise question answer of the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. Student, this is part 3 of this chapter. So students, the first question we are going to discuss, who had this opinion about Einstein. Einstein के बारे में जो opinion दी गई है ये किसके द्वारा दी गई है? He was boring. He was stupid and would never succeed in life. And the third one, he was a freak. So जो first sentence है ये जो बोला गया his playmates जो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन के साथ बच्चे खेलते थे, so he used to say that he was boring. And the next slide is he was stupid and would never succeed in life. So this is said by the headmaster. So headmaster के द्वारा ये word कहे गए थे that he was stupid and would never succeed in life. And the third one is he was a freak. Freak means मैं बहुत कमज़ोर था. So it means this sentence is said by his mother. And we go to the question number 2. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? ये जो आइंस्टीन थे वो क्यों कहते थे अपनी डेस्क ड्रॉअर को एट द पेटेंट ऑफिस? सो एंड वाई, क्यों कहते थे? वो क्या चीज़ थी जिसको वो पेटेंट ऑफिस, एट द पेटेंट ऑफिस में जो उसकी डेस्क को वो क्या कहते थे और क्यों कहते थे? सो आइंस्टीन कॉल्ड हिज डेस्क ड्रॉअर एट द पेटेंट ऑफिस द ब्यूरो ऑफ थियोरेटिकल फिजिक्स. ये जो ब्यूरो ऑफ थियोरेटिकल फिजिक्स वो कहा करते थे अपनी पेटेंट ऑफिस की डेस्क ड्रॉअर को. एंड क्यों कहते थे? आइंस्टीन वॉज एक्चुअली डेवलपिंग हिज ओन आइडियाज इन सीक्रेट. वो अपने सीक्रेट मिस्टीरियस वे में वो अपने जो उनके आइडियाज़ थे उन्हें डेवलप कर रहे थे. सो एंड हिज ड्रॉअर हैड ऑल द एविडेंस. वही ड्रॉअर थी जिसमें सारे के सारे वो एविडेंस हुआ करते थे विच कुड रिवेल द सीक्रेट, जो एज ए सीक्रेट रिवेल हुए थे, बहुत ही रहस्यमयी तरीके से एक साथ ही वो प्रकट हुए थे. सो एंड द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट question number 3, explain what the reason for the following are. What are the reasons for these sentences? Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. आइंस्टीन ने जो अपने स्कूल को लीव किया था वो अच्छे के लिए किया था. सो हाउ कैन यू से? सो आइंस्टीन लेफ्ट the school in Munich because he did not like the discipline of the school. The discipline of that school was strict, so that's why he did not like. And he hated the school's regimentation, जो वहाँ का regimentation था, he did not like, and often clashed with teachers. और clashed का means क्या होता है? उनकी टकराव हुआ करता था टीचर्स के साथ. He did not like the thinkings of the school teachers also. And the second one is better. Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. आइंस्टीन जो थे वो चाहते थे स्विट्जरलैंड में स्टडी करना म्यूनिक की अपेक्षा. सो एल्बर्ट पेरेंट्स मूव टू मिलान एंड लेफ्ट देयर सन विद रिलेटिव्स. उन्होंने अपने रिलेटिव्स के पास अपने सन को भेज दिया. सो आफ्टर प्रोलॉन्ग्ड डिस्कशन, एक लंबे डिस्कशन के बाद आइंस्टीन गॉट हिज विश टू कंटिन्यू हिज एजुकेशन इन जर्मन. सो आइंस्टीन की इच्छा थी कि वो जर्मन में एजुकेशन लें. स्पीकिंग स्विट्जरलैंड, actually it was more liberal than Munich. If we compare to the Munich, so the university or the college of the Switzerland was more liberal than the Munich. So that's why he liked the university or the college of the Switzerland. And the third one is Einstein seeing in Milva and LA. एक मित्र के रूप में उन्होंने मिल्वा को देखा. क्यों? So Einstein saw in the Milva Mary and LA against the philanthropists. So those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. So एक्चुअली में होता क्या था कि जो उनके फ्रेंड्स हुआ करते थे या जो क्लासमेट्स हुआ करते थे, सो थिंकिंग्स वर नॉट सेम. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज नॉट फेवर इन बाय द classmates. So but Milva Mary understood the feelings and the thoughts of the Einstein. So he found that she was a clever creature, and except this he also find that she was a clever creature, so that's why he liked her very much. So and the fourth one is, what do these tell you about Einstein? ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं ये आइंस्टीन के बारे में क्या बताती हैं? So these tell that Einstein was a genius and had the capabilities to achieve the targets. He had the capability to achieve all the targets. So moreover, he had his own view of life. उसके पास अपने जीवन के खुद के views थे, and he liked freedom too much, and he also liked his freedom very much. And if we talk about the next slide, why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt, so American president? ओके, सो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट फ्रैंकलिन रूजवेल्ट को आइंस्टीन के द्वारा क्यों लेटर लिखा गया? व्हाट वाज द रीज़न दैट एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन wrote a letter to American President Franklin Roosevelt? So students, with the emergency of Nazis in Germany, Einstein emigrated to the United States. जो आइंस्टीन थे उन्होंने एमिग्रेट किया था यूनाइटेड स्टेट को, अमेरिका को. सो इट वॉज द फैक्ट दैट द नाजी हैड द एबिलिटी टू डेवलप द एटॉमिक बॉम्ब. ये फैक्ट था कि जो नाजीज थे उनके अंदर एबिलिटी थी एक एटॉमिक बॉम्ब को डेवलप करने की, एंड इट कुड डिस्ट्रॉय द होल वर्ल्ड. और ड्यू टू द एटॉमिक बॉम्ब होल वर्ल्ड कुड बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. डिस्ट्रॉयड किया जा सकता था. इट वॉज द पावर ऑफ द एटॉमिक बॉम्ब. So he warned Franklin D. Roosevelt in his letter. So that's why he wrote a letter to Franklin Roosevelt to get the knowledge, to give the information about the destruction of the atomic bomb. So question number 5, how did Einstein react to bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? जो आइंस्टीन ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया बॉम्बिंग, जो हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में जो बॉम्बिंग हुई थी उसका उन्होंने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? सो द एटॉमिक बॉम्ब डिवास्टेटेड द जापानीज सिटीज ऑफ हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी. सो देयर वर 2 cities of Nagasaki and Hiroshima which were destroyed by the atomic bomb that were fallen by the American. He was deeply shaken by the extent of destruction. He was deeply shaken. He had a greatest sadness due to the destruction of Nagasaki and Hiroshima, and wrote a public missive to the United Nations. और उन्होंने एक यूनाइटेड नेशन को एक लेटर भी लिखा. So last slide we go to the. So this is the last question of this chapter. So why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? So he was not most of time what happened that we are called the citizen of one country, but there are some people who are known as the citizen of whole world. They were not believed to be the one country. They are believed to be the citizen of whole world. So Albert Einstein is one of them. So the world remembers Einstein as a world citizen. ये जो संसार है वो remember करता है एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन को as a world citizen because he believed in universal peace. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो ये universal peace है उसको उन्होंने advocate किया. And when there was the rat race for becoming atomic power, जब एक rat race थी, every country was doing its best to make the atomic bombs to destruct the another country. He was worried about the aftermath of the bomb. He was worried what happened after the destruction of the world due to atomic bomb. So he was really a world citizen who was concerned with humanity. So he was really the world citizen who concerned to the humanity. So students, you have to write the answers of these questions, understand the questions. So best of luck. Thank you.